Hi, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur a face or faces on your videos using Filmora video editor. So if you're editing your videos and you'd like to blur maybe a face or just a section of your video, it is pretty much simple, and this will apply to any moving object or moving person or body. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to add your video on your timeline, and mine is here. Then make sure that this playhead is at the beginning. So adjust this to the beginning just like that. And from here, go ahead and click on this edit option here. So if you click on it, we have quite a number of options here. From this editing option, go ahead and select AI tools. Now, if you click on that, we have this option called motion tracking. Go ahead and toggle it on, and now we can begin our motion tracking. But first, make sure that the motion tracker covers the face of the person or all the objects that you want to hide or to blur their faces or their parts. So I'll blur this part. I think this is okay, like that. Once you're done, now click to start motion tracking, and this will go ahead and analyze the motion tracker from the beginning to the end, like that. Then click on OK. Now from here, scroll down until you see this option called link element. So we want to go ahead and apply a mosaic because we can't leave it like this. As you can see, the face is not hidden, it is still visible. To hide the face or the object or that part, go ahead and click on this link element, and then if you click on this down arrow, you can see we have this option, add a mosaic. So if I click on it, it will go ahead and add a mosaic from the beginning to the end of this track. So you can also go ahead here and make some adjustments, such as blur amount. If you want to increase this blur, you can just adjust it. If you want to increase or reduce the opacity, you can also do the same. You can also go ahead and change the blur type. For instance, you want it to be pixelated, you can choose this blur option. Now if I go ahead and run or play the video, you can see it will blur the face from the beginning to the end of this video. And look at that. So that's how you can blur faces or objects on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.